Hello everyone, I am Sai Jitna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Good. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the green tint issue which is going on in the IQ7 device. So right now it's kind of a really big issue, friends, because I'm experiencing the green tint issue even in other applications like YouTube as well. So yes friends, even in the YouTube also I'm experiencing. So in this video, I'll try to show you all the clear proofs and what are the things you need to know about this IQ7. So even try to check in your mobile phone Google Chrome using the incognito window. Try to check the YouTube application. Try to follow exactly my procedure and try to check in the same condition using the dark mode and in low brightness environment. So make sure to comment below, friends. I just want to know how many users are actually facing this kind of green tint issue in the IQ7 device. Is it a big problem or only few users? So that is the reason I just want to know feedback from all of the IQ7 users. So make sure to please comment, friends, because this is a issue which I'm facing from the day one to till now. Still the couple of software updates has come to the IQ7 device, but they are unable to fix the problem, which is a green tint issue is happening. I do know it's not bothering me much, but for some users it's really kind of bothering, but for me there's no problem, friends. But I just want to highlight this kind of issue so the IQ team people can definitely fix this kind of green tint issue in the next update. That is what my main motive of doing this many videos on the green tint on the IQ7 smartphone. So in this way, I'll try to demonstrate you a green tint problem while YouTube and while using the incognito window, while using the normal general settings application, using the notification, while selecting the black wallpaper on the lock screen, and by showing you exactly what is happening. So these are the few things which I did kind of different when compared with the previous green tint videos. So make sure to watch till end of the video to identify where you can actually find the green tint in your IQ7 device. So not IQ3, because tomorrow I was able to get the IQ3. That is why I said the IQ3 by mistakenly. Sorry for that. So now let's get started with this kind of green tint issues testing. So first thing is to turn off the lights and change the mode to the dark mode in this phone and decrease the brightness. And first I'll try to test with the YouTube application. So now first let's see the green tint problem in the YouTube application, which I said where there's a green tint problem is going on in the IQ7 device particularly. So this is the exact IQ7 model which I'm trying to use. As you can see, friends, let me, as you can see, IQ7 device. Let me need to open the YouTube application, first show you what is happening. As you can see, friends, as soon as I open the YouTube, this is what it is. So what I did is I did turn off the internet. And you will be seeing this kind of empty images, thumbnails, as you can see, empty thumbnails. So now you will be able to see the green tint problem, what is happening. Exactly, as you can see, friends, completely green when there is no thumbnail. So it should be kind of dark, but it's not like that, you can see. So I'll try to explain you even by using the Google Chrome and other applications. Meanwhile, in the notification panel, in the settings as well, everything I'll try to explain. But this is a YouTube application, friends. You can clearly see the difference, how it is in the YouTube application. This is my first time seeing in the YouTube. So before I never noticed in the YouTube, but right now I did notice in the YouTube as well. That is the reason I thought of highlighting this issue first, then going to the next problems. So now let me try to use this kind of notification toggle. As you can see, right now I'm trying to pull the notification down slightly. Let me try to show you one thing. As soon as you pull like this, and let me try to slightly increase the brightness, and now you will be able to see the green color tint. Let me try to show you, friends, what is happening. As you can see, this kind of green tint is going on the top. You can clearly see that. So this is only visible if you're trying to use this kind of notification toggle. Whenever you try to pull it down, as you can see, friends, how much green it's visible completely. And a lot of users, they're really complaining about this kind of green tint problem which is going on in their mobile phones about the notification toggle. So this is what they are trying to talk about. When I try to go to the settings application and try to scroll down and then try to adjust the brightness. At certain brightness, you will be able to see this kind of gray color, and then suddenly the green color will come, as you can see, friends, and then the black color will come. So normally this kind of green color should not be there in terms of the color shifting whenever this kind of things happen. As you can clearly see here, this kind of problem is going on. And let me just show you on the lock screen. Let's see on the lock screen. On the lock screen, as you can see, friends, this is a complete lock screen. Let me just slightly focus properly. And now let me try to, as you can see, I did select the lock screen as a black wallpaper. You can see some kind of green is going on. As you can see, friends, clearly some kind of green color is going on. Let me try to pull the notification, and now let me try to decrease the brightness slightly. As you can see, now you can see so much of green, as you can see, friends. So this is what the green tint problem is going on in the IQ7 device. I am doing plenty of videos and I'm sharing my videos even with the IQ team as well, as you can see. Even my subscribers, they are also doing the same thing. They are trying to share my videos with the IQ people in terms of making aware that this kind of green tint problem is going on in the IQ7 smartphone particularly. As you can clearly see here friends, how much green is visible right now. In other phones it should not be, in normal phones it won't be visible, like this much of green won't be there, but in the IQ7 device only from the beginning to till now this is the biggest green tint problem is going on. And now let me to open the incognito mode. So it is the incognito window. Let me to slightly increase the brightness and show you. A certain amount of brightness when you select, you will be definitely seeing the green tint issue on the top of the top corner. As you can see friends, just now you did see that kind of green tint. As you can see the shift exactly. This is what the green tint problem is happening exactly. As you can see friends, this small change, yes. I think at this point, as you can see now the green color, how much green it's there now. As you can see friends, still the green tint problem is not yet solved after update, which is not at all good. You can perfectly see in this kind of scenario how much bad it is. As you can see friends, exactly. So this is visible only using few of the applications. Particularly if you use this kind of incognito mode only, it will be visible. So not in other applications. Let me need to open a couple of applications. It won't be that visible in the other applications. So maybe let's try with the different apps. Even in the YouTube as well. It's not that, as you can see now you can see friends in the YouTube, this is my first time seeing this kind of green tint issue. Oh my god. So in the YouTube as well you will be able to see this kind of problem. Friends, even by using this kind of another application which is a grayscale test as well, you will be able to get to know how much bad and severe the green tint problem actually is in this kind of Realme X7 Max device particularly. Now you will be able to see green tint. As you can see, slightly you can see more green is happening. That's a lot of green is going on. Green tint and green tint, as you can see right now. So slightly green is here, is going on. So as you can see friends, clearly after watching this kind of green tint issue problems in this IQ7 device, it's kind of really severe. It's going on in the IQ7 smartphone. So it's been close to 30-35 days of using this mobile phone, but still I haven't got any kind of update on this device in terms of the green tint problem mainly. So let's see friends, what will happen with the green tint in the future, whether they will be able to fix it or not. That is what I was waiting and expecting them to fix the issue as soon as possible in the IQ7 device, because they started to fix 111 issue one by one. So let's see what will happen with this kind of issue, and make sure to comment below friends. Don't forget, please try to comment whether your device has not any kind of green tint issue or not. I just want to count how many people are having this kind of issue. So and thank you for watching this video friends, and that's it in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. If possible, try to even write from which website you order, maybe from the Amazon website or maybe from the IQ website. Just try to mention if possible. So thank you for watching friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.